the throne of grace. Let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace. Hebrews chapter 4 verse 16. Praying is simply a two-way conversation between you and God. Thousands of people pray only when they are under great stress, or in danger, overcome by uncertainty. I have been in airplanes when an engine died. Then people started praying. I have talked to soldiers who told me that they never prayed until they were in the midst of battle. There seems to be an instinct in man to pray in times of trouble. We know there are no atheists in foxholes, but the kind of Christianity that fails to reach into our everyday lives will never change the world. Develop the power of prayer. Man is more powerful when he is in prayer than when he is behind the most powerful guns. A nation is more powerful when it unites in earnest prayer to God than when its resources are channeled into defensive weapons. The answers to all our problems can be had through contact with Almighty God. Prayer for the day. My time spent in prayer with you, dear Lord, is the highlight of my day. To know you are waiting to have this communion humbles me. Yet you say I can come boldly. This I do now, knowing you hear me.